We've got on board with us Abhishek Singh, the whole-time director at Manpasand Beverages, one of the stocks that could be a summer play. Abhishek, hi, morning. Good to chat with you. You know, Indians are clearly bracing themselves for a hotter, drier summer, which has already kick-started. A majority of your sales come during the April to June period. What's the growth and demand that you're expecting this time? Is it going to be higher than normal?
Yes, the demand is going to be very high this time because as I have heard that average temperature is going to be 1 degree more than the previous time. And it is but natural that new distributors and outlets will also open up. So demand will be naturally very high.
Indeed. So currently you're competing with the likes of a Maaza, Slice, etc., which are really ruling the roost. When it comes to mango juice with 60% market share, what are your plans to increase the market share in this particular segment?
See, currently in last year, our market share was somewhere around 10 to 11%. And we are aiming to capture around 20% market share. And we are working towards appointing many more distributors, many more retail outlets. And we are working very aggressively on distribution front.
Okay. You also have a significant presence in the rural markets, Abhishek. Almost 55% of your sales are coming in from that segment. What kind of growth have you seen, and what is it that you expect going forward with the monsoon as well as the election year now coming up?
In rural markets, see, we have a very good distribution in rural area where we are selling 5 rupees and 10 rupees product. And that items are in a very high demand in that areas. And monsoon this time is also going to be very good. It will be more than normal as we have read the reports. So consumption in rural areas is going to increase.
Okay. So while for Mango Sip, the focus has been on semi-urban as well as rural areas, do you plan to expand your presence for just this particular product?
See, we'll be expanding, as I told, that we are appointing new distributors. And it is not actually everything about semi-urban or rural. Any customer who can afford a 5 rupee, 10 rupee product, be it any city, in any district, will be sooner will be servicing that customers by increasing our distribution.
When you say increasing your distribution, how many distribution points you have increased in last 1 year?
During last 1 year, we have added 150 new super stockists. So our total count right now for super stockists is around 450.
And what is the immediate impact on your sales if you add, let's say, one super stockist?
If we are increasing super stockist by, say, we are actually overbooked in our capacity. So more and more super stockists we are bringing, but we are not able to service all that super stockists. But now, growth is very nice.
Would you be sticking to your core, which is centered around mango drinks, or would you be looking at expanding into other categories which are away from your core?
So along with mango drink, we have also launched Fruits Up some quite few months back, which is doing very good in market. And also recently we have launched a Jeera flavored drink, which is known as Jeera Sip, in entire modern trade category, which is doing very good. So more and more new products also we have lined up. We'll be launching them very soon.
Okay. IRCTC, Abhishek, as we understand, contributes about 20% to your overall revenues. What's the trend you witnessed there, and what is the scope of further scalability?
The IRCTC is a very big customer when we see about the fruit drinks, but there is not a single company who can serve all the requirements. And as the passenger traffic is growing on, new developments are taking on station, where many food carts are also coming on station. So that business is also growing. But we are very much keen to develop our super stockist and distribution network rather than focusing on institutional sales. So we'll be working more on distribution front.
Okay. So broadly, what is the uncharted territory where you would like to reach? You've given me a number of about 450 super stockists, which means how much of the total mapped area currently is under your coverage, and what is the potential? Because when you talk to a Lever or when we talk to a Britannia, I mean, now they're telling us that, look, they cannot increase distribution because they've reached everywhere.
Yes, correct. So around 6 out of 650 districts, we are present in 450 plus districts. And our target is to cover all the remaining districts and appoint more and more distributors, like how we have done a distribution tie-up with Parle products. Our target is that if we can capture at least some around 20 to 25, 30 lakhs outlet in coming days, it will be a very good achievement for a company like us.
Yeah, indeed. Okay, Abhishek, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for taking the time out and really highlighting what this scorching summer could mean for businesses like yours. Good speaking with you.